What's up YouTube? So today the first thing we're gonna do is gonna be installing a front lip, an eBay front lip on my 2002 Acura RSX. I'll link the kit down below where I got it. So it comes with side skirts, which I probably will not be using, and it also comes with, I think, this rear lip as well too. So yeah, we're gonna get right into and install this. What you're probably going to need is a drill, some drill bits, and probably a screwdriver, because we have to get the old lips off and drill holes into the new ones. First thing you're probably gonna want to do is jack your car up. So we can get see the bottom of the lip. Easier to get this one off. And if we take a look, these are connected by little strings right here. So I'm gonna have to cut those off with scissors. You don't need it like too high, just a little bit, so we can get a little clearance. And if we get a pair of scissors, so I don't know if not all these will have this, but you want to cut this off right here. So we can get this lip off, just like that. And then the rest of these should come off easy, so. So I got that side kind of taped up just to like reference where I wanted it. And then we're gonna work on getting the rest of this front lip off. So there's one bolt that you're probably going to have to get out. This one right here. I'm using what size? This is this, let me check. An 11mm ratchet to get that bolt out. That should be the only bolt you're gonna have to unscrew. Grab our scissors and then chop this last one off. There we go. And we got this off. So we'll throw that to the side. And then we'll work on sizing all this up. I have this side taped. And then we'll work on getting that. That's the middle piece inside of there, lined up with everything. So we got everything lined up correctly and how I would like it to be. You can kind of see for reference, kind of like that. That one just fell off, annoying. And I'm pretty sure these go underneath here like this, and it lines up all the way around like that. And you just drill that into there. So that's what we're gonna do. Try to get some holes, hopefully I don't mess up. Okay, so first we're gonna drill holes into this corner right here. As you can see, it has a little marker where you wanna put that. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. just like that. So now we're gonna drill a hole right about here so we can connect this up to here. That. See how that looks. It's just kind of, I like that though, that's fire. Now we gotta work on the back side and then just get the rest of, get some screws in here just to support this up. Right here just to support these. And then put the, don't do what I just did and forget to connect this on top of this before you screw it in. So yeah, it's gonna take a while. Now we're just gonna connect the rest of this side onto here and everything should be good to go. Good? Here we go. I know it's not perfect right here. I'll probably have to get something to cover that up with, but hey, it looks nice though. I gotta finish screwing that side in, and then we're gonna get the struts in. What I'm doing right now is putting these tiny black screws up inside of these, so to support this and hold these up. So all you do is really just drill holes in the underneath here and through the bump and through the front bumper, and then you put the screws through the bottom of that and it should hold it up. And that is what we're left with after installing all the bolts underneath. Hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you guys liked it, please subscribe and like, and then comment down what other mods you think I should do, or what do you think I should do next time, Also, if you guys have any idea how to install these, please let me know. I'm still confused because they didn't come with instructions on how to do this. I kind of just went with whatever I knew. So yeah, thanks for watching.